Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how to fix a lawnmower wheel that has trouble spinning. Now this applies to self-propelled lawnmowers that may have front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The mower that I'll be fixing today is my Husqvarna HU700F lawnmower with front-wheel drive. If you have a self-propelled lawnmower where one or more wheels are not spinning when you engage the drive system, then it could be due to the inner gear of the wheels being worn out. These lawnmowers use a unique drive system where the drive shaft and gear is metal, but the wheel has plastic gear teeth. Over time, this plastic gear can get worn down through regular use, or it could be triggered by a lack of lubrication or a wheel bracket that may be bent. If you haven't ordered the replacement wheel, a good place to check is ereplacementparts.com. I'll put the link in the description below. This is actually a great website that allows you to search by your lawnmower's model number, and it will bring up a detailed diagram of the lawnmower. Find the part that you're looking for, in this case the wheels, and it'll show you the exact part to get. I've always had great luck finding parts for a bunch of lawnmowers from this website. Alright, let's get started with the replacement. First things first, as always, when working on your lawnmower, disconnect the spark plug just to be safe. Next, loosen up the bolts for the wheels. Then prop up the lawnmower so that you can remove the wheel. I just used a paint can, but a 2x4 works good as well. Once the lawnmower is propped up, remove the old wheel. You can see here a side-by-side comparison of the old wheel and the new wheel. It's a big difference. While you have the wheels off, take this time to clean out any debris from the wheel well. Also, add lubrication where needed. Wipe off any lubrication that may get on the gear teeth, as it could attract dirt and cause slipping later on. Attach the new wheels and tighten the bolts. Reattach the spark plug and give her a start. Make sure the new wheels are spinning without issue. Hope this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.